Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by aligning Dolphin with your system audio. First, update to the latest build. Older versions carry regressions. Then open audio settings and pick the native backend, X Audio 2 or Wasapi on Windows, Pulse Audio or ALSA on Linux, because matching system APIs reduces glitches. Set speaker configuration and sample rate to match your OS output, usually 44. 1 or 48 kHz, so you avoid resampling. Once done, restart Dolphin to ensure the backend initializes cleanly before deeper fixes. Next, tweak Dolphin's internal audio processing. Set the DSP to high-level emulation for most games. If stuttering or music bugs persist, try low-level emulation with the recompiler for better compatibility. Then adjust the audio buffer, lower values like 0, 0.2 to 0. 1 second's cut latency, but if you hear pops, raise it incrementally. Enable audio stretching as a fallback if underruns happen, because it smooths output at the cost of slight pitch or timing shifts. Make one change at a time and test. To finish, lock the settings and run a controlled test. Switch your OS sound device to exclusive or low latency mode when available, because shared modes add buffering. Run a game you know sounds correct and compare timing and fidelity. This confirms your tweaks. If you still have crackles or dropouts, swap to an alternate backend such as OpenAL or X Audio 2, or roll back to the last stable Dolphin build. A key tip: if nothing helps, temporarily increase buffer size and disable extra processing to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.